In spring-summer 2026, Riviera Summer captures the glow of a life lived slowly. Linen, sunlight, and effortless elegance shaping the season's mood. The Style Index, a seasonal archive for the style-obsessed. Riviera Summer is a return to the slow, romantic ease of nostalgic European coastal life. A season shaped by linen, sunlight, and the art of dressing with intention. It's the fantasy of the Mediterranean, even if you're nowhere near Capri. The foundation is relaxed linen, wide-leg trousers, unstructured blazers, oversized boyfriend shirts, all in breathable, natural fibers that move with the breeze. It's destination wear elevated into something quietly polished. Swimwear follows suit. The micro bikini steps aside for sleek, graphic one-pieces, monochrome, belted, sculpted, or color-blocked. These are swimsuits meant to double as tops, styled with linen trousers the moment you leave the beach. Nautical codes anchor the palette, crisp whites, deep navies, geometric prints, and the eternal Breton stripe. It's coastal, but never cliché, more Audrey Hepburn on holiday than Emily in Paris. Accessories define the mood. Cat-eye sunglasses, silk headscarves, raffia textures, and kitten heel sandals replace the heavy footwear of last summer. Everything is lighter, sharper, more refined. And then there are the prints, polka dots, kaleidoscopic patterns, and vintage coded motifs that feel lifted from a postcard. Designers from Jacquemus to Pucci are leaning into the joy of dressing up again. Riviera Summer isn't about being on a yacht or strolling cobblestone streets. It's about capturing the feeling, the ease, the elegance, the soft glamour of a Mediterranean daydream. A Dolce Vita summer, whether or not you ever leave home. In Spring-Summer 2026, Riviera Summer captures the glow of a life lived slowly. Linen, sunlight, and effortless elegance shaping the season's mood. The Style Index, a seasonal archive for the style obsessed.